Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into CachyOS, an Arch Linux distribution that's um, surprisingly approachable for almost everyone. Whether you're curious about Arch's power or just want a polished, customizable system, you're in the right place. Alright, so what makes CachyOS special? Imagine Arch Linux's rock solid foundation, but wrapped up in a point and click installer. On their official site, they promise a seamless installation process and a range of customization tools to personalize your experience, and they deliver on that promise. It's optimized for performance, yet maintains a welcoming simplicity for newcomers and power users alike. Early in the install process, you get to pick your desktop environment. For total beginners, I'd recommend Plasma, Budgie, Cinnamon, or Matey. Each offers a familiar, intuitive interface. If you've got more Linux cred, consider i3 or Hyperland for a lightning fast styling setup. Personally, I opted for Cosmic System 76 New Alpha Desktop. Despite being alpha, it surprised me with its stability and sleek workflow, though I'd wait for the official release before making it your primary daily driver. Once you log in, you're greeted by the Welcome app. Think of it as your personal guide, README, release notes, community forums, plus quick links to software tweaks and installation tools. This First Steps hub is invaluable, especially if you're new to Linux. It even lets you enable services like Profile Sync Daemon and System to rank, download mirrors, change DNS, and more with just a click. And for installing apps, you have two front ends, Octopi, which feels like a modern Synaptic, and the simpler CachyOS package installer. Octopi lets you search, right-click, install, and authenticate, familiar if you've used Synaptic. The CachyOS package installer is even more straightforward. Find your package, hit install, type your password, and boom, it's done. For Linux newcomers, I definitely stick with the latter. One thing I love about CachyOS is the community. The forums are active and you'll find quick answers to common questions. There's also a subreddit and a dedicated Discord channel where both newbies and veterans share tips, themes, and kernels. This level of support makes a huge difference when you're learning or troubleshooting your first Arch-based system. So, is CachyOS right for you? If you're completely new to Linux, you might still want to start with Ubuntu, Mint, or Zorin OS. But if you're feeling adventurous and ready to level up, CachyOS is a fantastic gateway to Arch's power. You get Arch under the hood, a guided installer, choice of desktops, and a welcoming community. What's not to love? Alright, that's my updated take on CachyOS. If you're keen to give it a spin, download the ISO, flash it to a USB, and start exploring. Drop a comment below with which desktop you'd pick. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.